Add 2/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/6. Now, when adding fractions, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. They're not. These two are 5, and this one is 6. So my least common denominator is not too bad. That's going to be 30. So what I need to do is I need to rewrite all three of these so that the denominator is 30. So if this denominator is 5, how can I make that 30? Well, multiply u by 6. And if I multiply the denominator by 6, I have to multiply the numerator as well. Now this also has a denominator of 5, so we're going to do the same thing. Multiply the denominator and the numerator both by 6. This denominator is 6, so how do I turn that into 30? Multiply it by 5. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator as well. Now let's write out all three of these fractions. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Now when adding fractions of the same denominator, you add the numerators together. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. When adding fractions of the same denominator, keep the denominator exactly the way it is. Look at your numbers. Do they simplify? Nope. Is that number over 1? Nope. So you are a regular old fraction, 23 over 30, and that's your answer.